Did a lot of dirt, flipped a lot of work. Ay, walk up in the spot, they like ball alert. Jump up out the truck, got residue all on my shirt.
What's up, YouTube? We're back with another one. Alright, so this is a simple solution. This is a new build we got. House is being built. They got a lot of issues. We just put in some sand. They got a lot of issues like trucks coming in delivering materials and stuff. They're getting stuck. So we're just gonna install a viable solution. It's called a 1x3 inch crushed concrete. Which I'll show you the material, but this is what we got going on. This is where it got real soft. Truck's getting stuck. I just put in a bunch of sand. We just got kind of like a temporary access road because the driveway actually cuts around and goes that way. But yeah, this is the materials that we're going to be installing. These work really well. They use them a lot in our area for like the power companies, like when they got to go out there in like swampy areas and work on like the telephone poles and stuff. They put a bunch of these down because they're super good for stabilization. And they're able to access the power poles. But so yeah, that's kind of just a big concrete nugget. Good stuff. Yeah, let's get her installed. Alright guys, that wraps her up for the day. Got this all patched up, solid, packed in. I shouldn't have any issues driving through here now. Boom. Just like that. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share. Appreciate everything. If you could, just give us your feedback on what you love, what you don't love. But Dirtworks TV, over and out.